welcome to my demo for interactive music in Fmod Studio. My name is Daniel Petras and I'm a sound designer and composer from Toronto, Canada. This project consists of some orchestral music, a bit of metal, and some sound design and electronic elements. I designed it with a battle arena brawl style game in mind. It consists of 3 major sections. The first section is the briefing room music, which is meant to be played during the character selection process before the battle begins. The second section is the battle music, which is the music that is played for the majority of the time during the brawl. For this section, I've also added a weapons track I recently created, which simulates what the weapons sound like over top of the music. And finally, the third part is triggered when the last 2 players remain. As the health of the weakest player fluctuates, so does the intensity of the music. When there is only 1 player standing, the music ends and then returns back to the briefing room. Thanks for watching.